Stars glittered coldly on the forest stripped bare by a bitter leaf fall. Shadows moved through the undergrowth, thin shapes fur flattened by the chilly evening dew. Slipping between the stems like water through reeds, the cat's pelts did not ripple with muscle as they once had. Instead, their fur clung to their bones like beneath their thin frames. Flame-colored Tom What the heck? Flame-colored Tom, leading the silent procession, lifted his head and tasted the air. Evening, though nightfall had silenced the two-legged tiger claw monsters. Their stench clung to every dying leaf and branch. The cat took comfort with scent of his mate beside him. Her familiar scent mingled with hateful two-leg odor and softened its cruel tang. She matched his pace stubbornly,